good morning, guys. It's it. What's up, you guys? It's Godex for lunch. Good time to anything for questions and anything excited. Well, right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So talk to you guys when I get to work. Right now, you guys, waiting with me. I'm making some pasta salad. So that's what's going on. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. We're gonna make a lot of salads this week. So that's so right now, you guys, I'm heading back to work because I have to do a school route. So this is just pretty cool and exciting. So I'll talk to you guys when I get back to the bay, when I get back home. So right now, you guys, we are assembling a barbecue. So that's what's going on, you guys. It's gonna be fun and exciting. Pasta salad and steak. I'm watching TFG, so I'm going to this video. Guys, do give a big thumbs up. Good night.